Hey guys, this is Josh Lineberry. I'm going to show you how to do a hillbilly cell phone hack and how to fix a broken or scratched up camera lens on your cell phone. I was getting ready to go to Indianapolis to meet Ric Flair and I needed my cell phone right now, so let me show you what I did. Alright guys, here's my cell phone. What I want to show you here is how blurry the camera is. Where is it? There you are. Alright, let's take a look, see how blurry this is. Camera lens is real scratched, really blurry. Lots and lots of glare. So okay, let's turn that off. So first thing you're going to want to do is take your camera, take your cover off. Take the cover off your phone. And to get this lens off, what I did, now I've already done it, but what I did, there's a little tiny lipper on this plastic right here that I had to cut off. I started it with the razor blade right here, and I just plicked it off right there with the razor knife. I did that for about a 1/4 inch or so, and then I was able to pluck out my lens here. Now again, this is a right now hillbilly fix. You can order new lenses online. They're only a couple dollars, but I needed my camera right now, so this is what I did. If you're now these are glass. Now if your lens is broken and not scratched, you don't want to get any glass in here, otherwise you can ruin your little tiny pieces of glass getting there. You could ruin your camera, so you got to be real careful when taking it out if it's broken. Make sure you don't get any pieces in there. Alright, let's make a camera lens. Got a little clear plastic water bottle. Everyday regular water bottle is what I used. See, there's a little line right here. You want to make sure you don't cut your lens out of that. So we're going to cut this bottle in half. Alright, cut the bottle in half. Get a little extra water out of there. Give it a little shake. Alright. Now we're going to find you a nice smooth spot on your water bottle. Right here looks pretty good. Now I'm going to cut along the line there. We're just going to cut out a little piece to cut out a circle with. There we go. Alright, now when you cut your circle out of your plastic right here, you're going to want to overlap it a little tiny bit past your camera line off the part that you cut off. You want to overlap it a little tiny bit. See if we can get one pretty close. There you go, one little tiny circle. Let's check it for size. Okay, that overlaps pretty good right there. Alright, you take this and wipe it off so there's no water or fingerprints on it. I'm going to just use my shirt. Wipe it off. Put that off to the side there. Alright, you're going to take your sticky tack. You're going to roll it out. It's just a little tiny piece, about half size of a pea. Roll it out in a nice straight line. And you want it to be about 1 inch long, so it'll wrap all the way around your camera lens. And this is what you're going to use as your water and dirt barrier, plus it holds the lens on. See if we can get a closer look at that. Just press it on all the way around. Your camera lens there, smooth it out a little bit if you gotta make it a little bit longer, which this has to be. Just give it a little press up against the camera there. Take your lens, Slide your lens over the top, make it nice and center. Looks good right where you want it. And then you just take your back of your phone case on there, press it on right over the top, give it a little press. You hear the sticky tack compressing around your plastic there, and there you go. There goes your right now hillbilly lens for your camera. Now let's see what this looks like. Get your camera back here. Alright, there's your camera. Let's see. Get rid of the glare, and there you go. Brand new clear plastic camera lens that actually works. You can take a picture with it now. Let's see what that picture looks like. There we go, usable picture. Alright guys, I hope you liked my hillbilly cell phone hack. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.